Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today we are going to be taking a look at Tubebuddy's AI YouTube Suggested Shorts feature. Basically, the Suggested Shorts feature allows you to take one of your long-form pieces of content on your YouTube channel, submit it to Tubebuddy's Suggested Shorts tool, and then the AI will give you insights on what it believes to be your most powerful or popular content that you can then curate into short form content. Here we are. If we go into our YouTube channel and go over to our YouTube studio, go into the video that you want to see what your YouTube shorts could be from the long form content. And then once we're here on the video details page, you obviously have to make sure that you have Tubebuddy installed. And when you do that, you should see the Tubebuddy tools link here underneath your video, or you should see it on the sidebar here. If you click on the Tubebuddy logo, the toolbox will pop out from the right sidebar where you can see all of the different things that you can do within the toolbox. So you can get to the Suggested Shorts feature any way you want. So here we are, click the drop down, go to Suggested Shorts. When you do that, the Suggested Shorts will begin to populate bits of content that you can then turn into short form content. And so you can see it gives us a timestamp from this video from 24 minutes and 10 seconds to 24 minutes and 25 seconds. It's pulling from, what is the highest retention or the highest watch time, and it's using the AI algorithm to pick what it thinks to be the most popular short form content that you can repurpose from your long form. So what you can do now is you can just click play on the video, and it's going to play and start playing from that suggested timestamp here to where you can know, oh, I need to take it from 24 minutes and 10 seconds to 24 minutes and 25 seconds, and I need to make a short out of that. Eliminate all of the time of which you would be thumbing through the video, trying to find what would be the best short form content to repurpose from, and it's all here for you. Another cool thing is that down below it gives you suggestions from other videos. So as you can see right here, from 21 minutes and 3 seconds to 21 minutes and 18 seconds, in this video here, the retention increase is dramatic. It's pulling from a whole bunch of different data from within YouTube to kind of figure out what may be the best content to repurpose from your long form content. Recap, you gotta have Tubebuddy installed. You need to make sure that you find the video that you want to repurpose from. Click the drop-down menu here, go to Suggested Shorts. Once you're here within the video, it'll open up over here, it'll begin to analyze that video and then populate out what it believes to be the best short-form video to create and repurpose from the long-form content. If you want to check out Tubebuddy, you can do so in the link of this video. You can get 30 days for free by utilizing our link, and I really believe that this is a game-changing feature, and this can save you a ton of time when trying to repurpose content. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.